How to open a bank account on Bendigo Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can open a bank account on Bendigo Bank. So to do that, first of all, download and open the Bendigo app on your mobile device and simply tap on the option open an account, which is right over here. Now once you've done that, you'll have to basically choose the account type that's correct for you. So it can be an everyday account or it can be a savings account. Simply tap on the one which you'd like to open. And once you've done that, you'll have to basically fill out all the details such as your first name, your email address, your phone number, your residential address, your suburb, and your postcode. Now once you've done that, tap on the option continue. After that, you'll have to verify your identity. So simply upload one of these three documents right over here, namely your Australian driver's license, your passport, or your Australian passport card. Now once you've done that, simply take a selfie to verify that it's actually you who's doing the ID verification, then tap on the option continue. After that, you'll have to review all of your details right over here, and once you tap on the option submit application, you'll have successfully opened a bank account on Bendigo Bank. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.